Hello, so do you know how to solve the value for A? So if you know how to solve the value for A, well and good. If you don't know, I want us to work it step by step by giving you some of the amazing tricks to solve it. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution to the maths problem, this one is what we have. So we have 8 to the power of A is equals to 48. So we are asked to find the value for A. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's now kickstart. So in order to solve this maths problem, we need to introduce the log from both sides or on both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of A is equals to the log of 48. So we can now reinterchange it by now saying that when you have the log of P to the power of M, this one can also be written as M, the log of P. So in this case now we shall now have A, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 48. So simple. So from there now we shall divide both sides by the log of 8. So here now divide by the log of 8. So here now we shall also have the log of 8. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now we shall now have A to be equals to the log of 48 all over the log of 8. So we can now do what is called simplification. Let's now simplify it properly by now having A to be equals to the log of 48 can also be written as the log of 8 multiplied by 6, or we can say that or 6 multiplied by 8. So here now shall now have something like 8 multiplied by 6, then into bracket all over the log of 8. So assuming that we have something like the log of A multiplied by B, this one can also be written as the log of A add to the log of B. So then now we shall have A to be equals to the log of 8 plus the log of 6. Then all of them all over the log of 8. So from here now we shall say that, or we shall divide both sides by the log of 8. So A is equals to the log of 8, then all over the log of 8. So we shall divide everything by the log of 8. So log 8 all over the log of 8 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 8. So we shall say that, so here now we shall say that A is equals to log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 8. So let me take you into a basics. When you have the log of A all over the log of B, so this one can also be written as the log of A to the base of B. So similarly, we can now have our A now, our final answer to be equals to A is equals to 1 plus the log of 6 to the base of 8. So this one now qualifies to be our correct and final answer. So let's now confirm this answer and check if it is indeed the true answer for this maths problem. So this one was what we had. So we had something like, so we had 8 to the power of A is equals to 48. So already we have A, so now we have 8 to the power of 1 plus the log of 6 to the base of 8 is equals to 48. So this one now can still have it as 8 to the power of 1, then the plus shall change to multiplication, 8 again to the log of now 6 to the base of 8 is equals to 48. So 8 to the power of 1 is 8 multiplied by 1. So the result in that case, we shall have 8, then multiplied by, so the log to the base of 8 shall cancel this 8. So now we shall remain with 6 is equals to 48. So here now we shall remain with 8 times 6, that is 48 is equals to 48. So meaning that our answer is correct when we conclude by saying that the value for A in this case A is equals to 1 plus the log of 6 to the base of 8. So it seems, or it is now all true and okay, that this answer is correct and the final one. So if you love how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.